All right, y'all, I know you see my foam and my service loop, but thankful to my sleeve, my pipe is not stuck. And we're going to install a hose bib. Not just any hose bib, no sir, look at this. Aquor, dude, this is an absolute game changer. Look at that. We're going to apply a little thread sealant to the 1/2-inch male PEX fitting, screw it right into the back of the faucet, and tighten her up. This is the faucet cover. Man, look how sleek this thing is. And the rubber gasket for a watertight seal. Y'all gonna have to remember, I have a service loop. That's the only way this is gonna work. I'm gonna start with my PEX relaxed, pull it out the length of the faucet, cut the pipe off. I'm gonna use a ratcheting stainless steel clamp it on there, ease it back in there. Look at that. Aquor sends you some fasteners, so I'm gonna pre-drill and go ahead and screw those in there. I don't know if y'all notice this or not, but the cover is actually wedged so the faucet sits at the perfect angle for water to drain out. Y'all get ready because the water is on. Then it's off. Twist lock. Look at that. Water drains out. Cover down. You're welcome.